Hey guys, it's ShortCutGamez. I know, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a loading screen in Unreal Engine. So let's get started. So first you need to create a template. There we go. Just name it loading screen project. Leave everything else as it is. And let's wait. Okay, it's almost done loading. Importing starter content. Okay, here we are. Right now we just have a basic third-person game. Let's say you have a game that has really high graphics and takes forever to launch on something for, say, a Chromebook. Like this, it's even a bit laggy right now. And you want to add a loading screen just to add to the aesthetics. I don't get that. But still, so first, let's create a new folder and call it loading screen underscore screen. Let's open it up. And first thing we're going to have to do is create a widget. Let's call this loading screen. And let's open that up. Okay, here we are in our blank canvas. So if you have an image you want to work with, just drag out the image. This is for the background of the loading screen. Let's make it 0, 0, 1920 by 180. Anchor to the whole screen. And where is it? Brush image. And then here is where you choose whatever image. So I'm going to just import an image real quick. Okay, that's good. So I have my preview.jpg. So let's import that. And now we have a background image. Let's compile and save. So then the next thing we're going to have to do is make the widget open when you open the game. Because right now if I start the game, the widget's not there, and it never will be there. So let's go back. Let's open the blueprint. And where's the start on event start? Oh, it turns out it's not here. Okay, event start. Where is it? Art. Start. Oh, begin play. There we go. That's what I was trying to find. And open widget. No. Create widget. And then here in class, we would select our widget, which is loading screen. There we go. We'll drag this out and add to viewport. Make the return value the target. And then just to make everything neat, select it all, press C, and add open widget. There we go. Compile, save. And now if we launch our game, we can see that we have this as our background. It's completely pointless right now though, because there's nothing we can do in it, and has no functionality. So let's fix that. So over here in our loading screen, let's add some text. And let's make this bigger. Where is it? Font. Under font and size, let's make it 40. 40. No, it's not big enough. 60. Let's just stick with 80. Size to context. That makes the box the size of the text automatically, and it's actually really helpful. Good thing it's in bold. And now try to center as much as possible. Actually, if I anchor to the top, then it might help me center it. No? Okay. Loading as a text, because of course this is going to be your loading screen. And now let's add a circular throbber. And that's a circular throbber. 100. What it is like those little loading throbber things that show you that it's loading. So over here, it's pretty cool because we can actually change the amount of pieces in it. So we can have it have 25, like that, or we can make it have 1, like that. That's awful. Let's make it bigger, 200 by 200. Oh wait, let's make it 25 because that actually looks really cool. And that looks good. So back here in the open widget thing, let's expand this a bit because we're going to need to add some more. After add to viewport, you need to do pause or wait. Oh, delay. There. And let's set it to 2 seconds because who doesn't like a game that takes forever to load? And then in completed, let's make it, oh wait, then remove from parent. This removes the widget, and there we go. Oh wait, target. The blueprint itself is not a widget, therefore target. Just have a click. Can I just remove widget? There we go, remove all widgets. That'll work too. So now if we open it up, we see that it loads, and we're in our game. Even though the reason why it's slightly off-centered is because we did not anchor it. So let's fix that. We need to anchor it to the center of the screen. That looks okay. Negative 100, negative 80. There we go. And now it should not be all over the place again if we try reloading it. There we go. There we go. And now that's the end of our tutorial for a simple loading screen. I'm going to post the link to this game in the description so you can go see the loading screen for yourself. And bye.